Over and above that, we will make sure that we continue upgrading the nature and sophistication of the weapons and equipment that our police officers are using, that our NPRs are using, and make sure that they are well kitted in terms of arms, in terms of ammunition, in terms of other protective equipment, to ensure that our NPRs and our police officers are not armed when they're in the line of duty. It is therefore the decision of the government to continue discussing with the government of Southern Sudan to make sure that the 11 kilometers that are remaining, the road has to be built between Nadapal and Nakodoe, and from there our neighbors in Southern Sudan will also be encouraged to continue with the road so that it connects our country with their country's headquarters in Juba.